Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the Bambu Handy to 3D print from your phone. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to download the application from the Google Play Store or the iOS Store depending on the device that you are using. From here, you also want to make sure that you have logged in your account. So click on the Me button below our screen and then you can click on the login button. You can simply use something like email address, Facebook, and more. Now, this is going to be our main dashboard. First things first, you want to connect your printer by clicking on the devices option. It's going to be between models and me. It's in the middle one. And basically from here, just click on the bind printer option. From there, you just have to click on the yes button. This will allow the application to use your camera. And basically, to make things easier, you can then scan the QR code from your printer in order to connect your device together. From there, now we have to get our model. You can get it from the model section where you will be able to find what the community is making. But if you want to make your own, you can then click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen or on the top left, which will open up this menu. And then click the Maker Lab option. We have three options inside. We have the image to keychain, make my statue, or make my lithophane. In my case, I'm going to be selecting something like make my statue, and then there will be a brief instruction in order for you to do this. Basically, it is recommended to take frontal shots from the chest or the abdomen level. But if you want to make something like a keychain, you can then select the second one right here. But to make things easier, let's then select one of the templates right here. Click on prepare to print at the bottom of the page. And basically, you then want to click on the next button after choosing the right printer. So in my case, I have the PS2, X1, X1 Carbon, and more. Simply just click on yes. And basically, that's how you use it to print it to your printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.